Bird and Kip, Episode 12, Lost at Sea. Bird and Kip were out on the ocean. The box floated on the waves. It bobbed up and down.
We're sailing, Kip,
said Bird.
and I'm having a lot of fun.
But Kip wasn't having fun at all.
We're lost.
He cried.
We'll be lost at sea forever. Oh, don't be silly, Kip.
Said Bird.
We won't be lost at sea forever. We're not even lost. I miss my hole.
Cried Kip.
And I miss our tree. I don't like sailing anymore.
Soon the box landed on some rocks.
Oh no!
Said Kip.
Now we're stuck in a faraway land. No, we aren't,
Said Bird.
We're still home. See? There's the roller coaster.
Said Kip.
You're right. Do you know what this means?
Asked Kip.
We sailed all the way around the world.
Bird and Kip, Episode 13, The Circus. Bird and Kip were at the circus.
What a great show,
Said Bird.
It sure is,
Said Kip.
I wish I could be in the circus.
Acrobats flew through the air,
That's amazing.
said Bird.
I wish I could do that.
Said Kip.
Wow!
Said Bird.
Look at that!
A tightrope walker walked above the crowd.
I wish I could do that.
Said Kip. A tiny little car drove into the ring. A clown got out of the car. The clown smiled and waved. Then another clown got out. And then more clowns got out,
That's a lot of clowns.
said Bird. The clowns all ran around in circles. They threw pies at each other. They bumped into each other and fell down. Everybody laughed,
Well, Kip,
said Bird.
you could definitely do that.
Bird and Kip, Episode 14, The Lion Tamer. Bird loved watching the circus. Kip loved watching it too. In fact, Kip wanted to be in it. Kip wanted to be an acrobat. He also wanted to be a tightrope walker. Soon, a lion was led into the ring. Everyone got very quiet. The lion was large and scary. The lion growled and roared. A man stepped in front of the lion. The man was holding a chair. He was a lion tamer. The lion growled at the lion tamer. The lion roared at the lion tamer. But the lion tamer was not afraid. "Sit down," said the lion tamer. The lion sat down. "Roll over," said the lion tamer. The lion rolled over.
Psst, Bird,
whispered Kip.
I would love to be in the circus. But I would not want to do that.
Bird and Kip, Episode 15, Kip's Circus. Kip was still thinking about the circus. Suddenly, he heard something. A puppy was loose. The puppy was running right toward Kip. Barked the puppy.
Ah!
Cried Kip. Kip jumped into a bush. The puppy got hold of a branch. Then the puppy let go. Kip flew through the air like an acrobat. Kip landed in a tree. He walked like a tightrope walker.
Phew.
Then the branch snapped. Kip fell down to the ground. The puppy wagged its tail. It barked. The puppy just wanted to play. Kip had an idea.
Sit down,
Said Kip. The puppy sat down.
roll over.
Said Kip. The puppy rolled over.
Wow,
Said Kip.
I'm a puppy tamer. You put on a great show.
Said Bird.
Just like the circus.
Said Kip. Bird and Kip, Episode 17, Goose. Bird's friend Goose was visiting. Bird and Goose talked about bird things.
I love flying.
Said Bird.
Honk.
Said Goose.
We love flying. Honk, honk.
Kip was not a bird. He was a chipmunk. So he couldn't talk about bird things. Bird and Goose talked and talked. Kip stood alone by the pond. he skipped stones on the water. But then Goose jumped into the water. She made a big splash.
Honk, honk.
She said.
Pardon me. Honk.
Look. People came over to the pond. They tossed pieces of bread to Goose.
Honk, honk.
Said Goose.
I don't like Goose.
Said Kip.
She's too big and too loud. I think I'll go somewhere else.
Kip wandered away from the pond. Then he walked out of the park. Bird and Goose didn't even notice. Bird and Kip, Episode 18, A Big Loud Friend. Kip walked along the sidewalk.
Goose is Bird's friend.
He said.
She's not my friend. She's too big and too loud.
Just then, Kip saw something. A cat was sitting on a window ledge,
Meow.
said the cat.
Meow. Oh no!
Cried Kip. Kip started to run. The cat jumped after him. Kip ran as fast as he could. So did the cat.
Ah!
Cried Kip. Suddenly, Bird and Goose flew over to Kip.
There you are!
Said Bird. Goose landed in front of the cat.
Honk, honk, honk.
Cried Goose. The cat got scared and ran away,
You saved me, Goose.
said Kip.
Thank you.
Honk. You're Bird's friend.
Said Goose.
So you're my friend too.
Kip was happy to have two good friends.
I like Goose.
He thought.
Honk.
It's good to have a big, loud friend.
Bird and Kip, Episode 19, A Bunch of Sticks. Bird was reading a book in her nest. Kip came up the tree. He was carrying a bunch of sticks,
Good morning, Bird.
said Kip.
Good morning, Kip.
Said Bird. Kip went back down the tree. Then he came up the tree again. He was carrying more sticks, said Bird.
I wonder what Kip is doing.
Bird went back to reading her book. Crash!
Ouch!
Cried Bird.
Please be careful, Kip. Sorry about that.
Said Kip. Bird flew up to Kip's branch.
What are you doing?
Asked Bird.
I'm collecting sticks.
Said Kip.
Why do you need sticks?
Asked Bird.
I'm building something.
Said Kip.
I need a lot of sticks for it. What are you building?
asked Bird.
A nest.
Said Kip.
I'm building a nest for myself.
Bird and Kip, Episode 20, Kip's Nest. Kip was building a nest for himself,
Do you want some help?
asked Bird.
I'm very good at making nests.
No thanks, Bird.
Said Kip.
I'm sure I can build this nest myself.
Kip worked on his nest. He didn't really know how to build one, but he did the best he could. Soon, the nest was finished,
All done.
said Kip. Kip slowly climbed into the nest. He carefully sat down. Said Kip.
This doesn't seem very...
Smash!
Squawk!
Cried Bird,
Sorry, Bird.
said Kip.
Why do you need a nest?
Asked Bird.
Don't you like your hole?
I love my hole.
Said Kip.
But there's a problem.
The two friends went up to the hole. Bird looked in and saw the problem.
Kip,
She cried.
your hole is a mess.
Bird and Kip, Episode 21, The Huge Mess. Kip's hole was a mess. Stuff was everywhere. There were acorns all over the place. And there was no room for Kip,
You don't need a nest.
said Bird.
You need to clean up this mess.
You're right, Bird.
Said Kip.
I am going to clean it up.
No,
Said Bird.
we are going to clean it up. Let's start with these acorns.
Said Bird.
Pick out the ones you want to keep, and we'll throw out the rest.
They sorted the acorns into neat piles. Then they swept the floor. And they washed the dishes. Soon, Kip's hole was nice and clean.
Well, Kip,
Said Bird.
now you have plenty of room.
Kip looked around. He rubbed his chin.
Thank you, Bird.
Said Kip.
Now I have room for more acorns.